Okay, so here we are going to discuss one question from JEE Advanced 2021. So here question is f is a function from open interval 0, infinity. Names one positive real number. 2 r means set of real number. This is a polynomial. We define by x equal to integration of 0 to x. This sign is a product sign. J is equal to 1 to 21. T minus j power j to dt where x greater than 0. And here m1 and n1 are denote the number of local minima and the number of point of local maxima of the function f. Then the value of 2m1 plus 3m1 plus m1 into n1 is equal to. Now this is an numerical answer type question. So here first write the function f(x) equal to integration of 0 to x product of j is equal to 1 to 21 t minus j whole power j into dt. Now here we actually find the f dash x because here question asking find the local maxima and local minima. So that's why I calculated the f dash x means first order derivative basis. Here integration sign that means here we use the Leibniz test. So here upper limit is x to the upper limit in term of t. So upper limit is x. So that means product of j is equal to 1 to 21 x minus j power j into so derivative of the upper limit 1 minus put the lower limit into so derivative of 0 means 0. That means f dash function is nothing but this function. Now expand. Here this is an product sign. Now put j is equal to 1. So that means x minus 1 power 1. Put j is equal to 2. That means x minus 2 power 2. Put j is equal to 3. X minus 3 power 3. Sorry. X minus 3 power 3, similarly x minus 4 power 4, dot dot means one term in product form. Last term is x minus 21 power 21. So this is an f dash x. Now here if we again, so derivative f double dash x, this is very difficult because this is a large function. So actually here we use the fast derivative test. Here actually find the local maxima and local minima point. So here we use the fast derivative test. So fast derivative test means simply here use the Webby-Gardy method. So first plot the number line means this is the x-axis and first mark all the point. So here point is x is equal to 1, so mark all the point. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and last term is 21. Okay, so first here plot all the point because if we put f dash x equal to 0, so here we x equal to 1, x equal to 2 is equal to time, x equal to 3, so 3 time. Here we mark all the point. So now here when we use Webby-Gardy method, so first sign is plus then minus. Okay, so here we take say 21. So x minus 21 power 21. That means this is an odd number. So odd number means here sign change. The sign change na. And so next term obviously x minus 20 power 20. So 20 is an even number. Even number means here not sign change. Similarly here so 19 here sign change. 18 here not sign change, same sign. 17 sign change, 16 not sign change, 15 sign change, 14 not sign change. You can draw, you can write it this way. 13 sign change, minus here sign is plus here minus here sign is plus, here sign is also plus, here sign is minus plus minus. That means that all the even number of terms, that means 2, 4, 6, dot all even number of terms whose power is also even. So when power is even, so sign not change. Okay, now if we proceed from left to right, here we see that first focus on the point 1. So here one point is just sign change negative to positive. So when sign change negative to positive, so that means one is an local minimum point. Similarly, when sign change positive to positive, so that means here no sign change, same sign. So when same sign, that means this to be a local maximum point. So here we are talking about the local minima and local maximum. So first find the local minimum. Local minimum point denoted here A1. So first mark the local minimum point. How many point? This is the local minimum point. When only focus when change sign negative to positive. So this point 1, negative to positive. Here this is 2, 3, negative to positive, 4, 5 and 6. Here 21 also change negative to positive. So here total local minimum point is 6. And now we are talking about local maximum. Local maximum denoted as N1. So local maximum point means when sign change positive to negative. So that means here 1 point 3, 1, positive to negative, 2, 2 to 3, 4 and 5. So total 5 points. And rest of the point means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 means all even number of points up to so 20. These all points are the neither local maximum point and not the local minimum point. So here number of local minimum point 6, local maximum point is 5. Now question about the value of 2a1 plus 3n1 plus m into a. So just put here value. So this equal to 2a1 means 2 into 6 plus